That's why!
안녕하세요. If you want to live in Korea, you cannot just search for apartment on Google. In Korea, housing types has very specific meanings and each one comes with cultural expectations. Today, I will explain the most common housing types in Korea, how to say them in Korean, and what they really mean in real life. 아파트.
아파트, 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 아파트.
In Korea, an apartment usually means a large high-rise complex, professional management, security, parking, and playgrounds. This is the most standard and desired housing type. In Korean culture, 아파트 is like stability, success, and normal life. Many Koreans believe once I buy an apartment, my life is settled. That's why apartments are expensive, competitive, emotionally important. 오피스텔. 오피스텔. It is combination of office and hotel. 오피스텔. 오피스텔. An officetel is a building zoned for office use, but also used as housing, usually studios or small units. Very popular among single professionals, foreigners, short to midterm residents. Officetels are seen as convenient, modern, but not a family home. Koreans rarely raise families in officetels. Villa. Important. Korean villa is not about like luxury villa. Yes, Korea has also luxury villas named 고급 villa. But when Koreans say villa in daily life, they usually mean the low-rise residential type, not the luxury one.
That's why!
A villa usually means a low-rise building, 2 to 5 floors, multiple households, no large complex facilities, often located in quiet residential neighborhoods. Villas are often cheaper than apartments, seen as temporary house, a step before moving to an apartment. When Koreans say 지금은 빌라에 살아요, it can imply for now. One room. A one room means there is only one room. The bedroom, kitchen, and living space are all in the same area. Very common for students, young workers, foreign residents. One rooms are associated with independence, early adulthood, starting life alone, not seen as a long-term home. Two room. Two-room, just Konglish. Two-room means there are two separate rooms, usually one bedroom and one small extra room. The kitchen or living area is separate or connected. Popular among couples, people working from home, those who want more space but lower cost. gosiwon. A gosiwon is a very small private room, shared kitchen and bathroom, extremely affordable. Originally designed for students studying for exams. In Korea, gosiwon is often associated with financial pressure, short-term survival, transition periods. It's functional but emotionally heavy for many Koreans. Big picture, this is about culture. Housing in Korea is not just about space, it reflects life stage, income, and social expectations. That's why misunderstandings happen so easily. So, let me ask you, what kind of place do you live in right now? Apartment? Officetel? One room? House? Is housing in your country similar to Korea? And if you want to understand Korean housing, real estate, and even short-term stays more deeply, I made a free ebook for foreigners like you guys. So you can download it from the link below.